Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add divider line with icon in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to add divider or line with icon. Now in search widget, write divider widget. Now you see divider, so drag and drop here. Now you see style, so you can select according to requirement. So we select solid. Now you see width 100%, alignment center. Now you see add element. So we are going to add icon. Now select. Now icon library. So you can select icon according to requirement and then click on insert. Now you see divider with icon added in Elementor. Now go to style. Now you see color. Now you see gap icon. So you can increase size like this. Now you see spacing, rotate. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.